I have been to the ends of the earth to get this bag. Well, not really, okay, I'm being very dramatic, but I will tell you all about it, and today I have an extremely special Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. I am beside myself with it's bubbling up inside of me, I can feel it. It's a good one. I have not even looked at it. I wanted to unbox it together. I wanted us to explore all of the elements of this absolutely incredible, phenomenal piece together. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Okay. This has a bit smaller packaging than these bags usually have, and I will tell you why, because like I said, it was not easy for me to get my hands on this bag, but let me just unbox it for you and then I can tell you the whole story. You're gonna know because of what, I mean, you probably already know, but do you see that? Do you see the blue stitching where it's usually printed on? Delicious. Is it printed? I think it's usually printed. Oh, in this glorious, glorious turquoise. Okay, I have my receipt and things in here. There's a card. I'm going to read this out to you when it becomes relevant, okay? And I've got a fabulous strap, okay? But we will get back to that. If we were to just do a bit of that. Oh. She's exceptional, she's everything, I'm obsessed with her. Are you kidding me? Are you actually? And then also, because I had to, absolutely had to, are you ready? Oh, there's mine. Oh, she's so, oh gosh, she's so soft. Oh, that is just the most, oh, okay, let me tell you the stuff. She's perfect. You're absolutely perfect. I'm obsessed with you. Yes. Oh, this is the best decision. Oh, I'm so happy I've done this. Let me start with the story and everything. I thought it was cool. Obviously, Pharrell has been including the leather Speedies since he started at the house and all of that. And I was like, oh, this is nice. Good for them. Not necessarily something that's going to be on my wish list. And then two things happened. Number one, I saw it come down the runway in turquoise. And I was like, isn't that nice? Number two, I touched one. If you do not want to buy this bag, do not touch this bag. Fight it as much as you can because it is really, really deliciously soft and supple and just, oh, it's just like a puddle of luxuriousness. However, crucially, this bag is super expensive. It is, let me get this right, 7,500 euros, $9,300, right? So I was like, okay, when I got to the point of decision, which we will go through, if I'm going to get this bag, I'm only going to get two more bags this year, and that is this bag and then if/when my shoulder Birkin comes up. But no other bags, I'm not allowed, because this is 2 or 3 bags in one bag, right? Now, I touched the bag when I was in Paris. This is all crucial information, stick with me. And I was working with a lovely essay there. This was at the Vendôme store. Okay, so let's say I want one because the turquoise one had already been shown by this point. I was like, what would the situation be? And she was like, well, I can just let you know when it's available to pre-order. You pre-order, it comes, you collect, great. Great! So, the pre-order opened in June. So it's actually a quick turnaround between pre-order and the bag arriving, right? The reason why I decided to go ahead and pre-order it with Paris, and that store in particular, was I didn't know how easy it was going to be to go into a store here and ask to pre-order it. I was like, listen, I've been given the opportunity here, let me not fumble the bag, as it were. Then the bag came in. I'm not in Paris, my parents aren't in Paris, and they have no intention of going to Paris anytime soon. Okay? Now, as much as I know if I'd have asked, they would have kept it for me until I was next there, I'm also impatient. So I was like, how the hell do I get this bag here? Because they don't ship overseas. So this is where I got in touch with my friend JD. JD is a personal shopper and JD is lovely. And I was like, I know that she sources some things from Paris and I'm sure that she would have a way to help me. So JD got her assistant to go and pick it up for me, and the assistant shipped it to me and it got here, and that's why everything was like in compact packaging, because obviously the bigger the thing, the more expensive it is to ship, right? Anyway, so that is why, because some people, I'm sure you'll see some people unboxing it's a much bigger box or whatever. This absolutely lovely card. Thank you so much for your recent purchase from Louis Vuitton Vendôme, Paris. We truly appreciate your business and trust in us. We hope you're delighted with your new purchase and look forward to seeing you the next time in Paris. Best regards. Like, the best service, everything. She kept me, like, up to date with all of the things, and, I mean, she delivered. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful and it's so me. I saw this colour and it was just like, oh, you're tethered to my heart somehow. How could I not? So this is in the 25 size. With the P9 Speedies, so the leather Speedies are being called the P9. I don't really know. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to dive inside. And with the P9 Speedies, they're only coming in 2 sizes thus far, in the 25 and the 40. A 40 would be like a travel bag for me. I want to wear this bag as often as possible. So, perfect little 25 size. Done a video on my sort of perception of this bag with the brand as well. Because like I said, it's an expensive bag, you know, to justify it to yourself and all of this. And I do think that they are sort of regarding this bag as the house's Birkin. I go into way more detail in that video, but I do think in terms of like a quote-unquote, I don't buy bags for investment value, but if you did, this one, especially at the moment, there's not really a track record with it because it's new, holds its value, it has that history, it has the sort of exclusivity factor, nowhere near, you know, like the Birkin and having to play the game or anything, but it does have those elements. So I was like, this is definitely a piece that is going to be, quote-unquote, a bit iconic, but also it's going to be a piece that you have one of, and it's going to go into price increases, I'm very, very sure of it. So even though it's exceptionally expensive, if I have interest in this, and if there's the perfect colour for me, it's better that I jump on it now and not risk price increases and similar colours that aren't quite the colour that I wanted originally and whatever else, okay? Let's dive in. Okay. The leather is so beautifully supple and soft and just, it's got a great grain on it. You can see all the white LVs against this glorious turquoise, the vachetta leather, all of the D-rings that have the Louis Vuitton and the Louis Vuitton and the lettering and the... Why do I also feel like this vachetta leather is different to normal vachetta leathers? It seems slightly darker to me than usual. Even the glazing is different. Like, the glazing is super shiny on it. So let's have a little look inside, because there's things with this bag. Oh, first of all, okay, hold on. Girl math, I'm not having to buy a bag stuffer for this. That saves me a good, some of those bag stuffers can be quite expensive. It saves me a good $100 there. So $100 off the total price. Says Louis Vuitton Paris on it. Oh, juicy goodness. By the way, the official colour name for this is turquoise. So on the website, I want to see what sort of ultra supple calfskin brings a vibrant touch. And this is it empty, okay? So you can see its slouch, the softness. And because the softness of the leather, like, you know, you'll see these sort of like waves, because that's just how the leather moves, right? Inside, there's a removable pouch in leather. Oh my gosh, we haven't even got to that. There's a removable part of Pharrell's From Paris to Virginia show for the fall winter. The bag features handle mounts adorned with subtle engraving of horses. Handle mounts? What is a handle mount? The inside. Wait, what's a handle mount? Where is a handle mount? The bag features, what is a handle mount? A handle mount. Subtle engraving of horses. Where the hell is that? I eventually did find the subtle engraving of the horse, so it's on one of the tiny little flaps on the side,
And this is really interesting because I wonder if they'll do this different for every collection that now follows. You know, this collection was like, you know, westerny and all of that, hence the horse. So I wonder if this is sort of like a little thing that they'll continue. Interesting. And very cute, like a little Easter egg.
We have this. And then the little thing, exterior calfskin, interior calfskin. I'm going to keep that in the box with everything. Okay. Another difference to this bag is that it's lined in leather. The normal Speedies are canvas lined, right? And then what's special again with the P9 Speedies is this plaque on the inside. I'm actually going to insert a picture because it's probably easier to see. Basically, it looks like a credit card. It's got like a thing. It says Louis Vuitton trunks and bags. AH24, so Autumn Hiver 24. France, Speedy 25, Louis Vuitton signature, the sun is shining on us, P. Then you also have a zip pocket on the inside. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. Okay, there's a little D-ring on the inside, and that is, I'm like looking into every little crevice. Let's open little pouch first. Again, I love the fact that depending on what colour bag you get, the strings, the Louis Vuitton on all of the bags will match that bag. So if I had a pink one, it would be all pink. They're doing a really good job of making things feel really special and different with this bag. And listen, I've fallen for it hook, line and sinker. Here I am. Golden lock, which goes on the side. So let me get my little key out. This way. There we go. So you have the Louis Vuitton. Are we ready? Should we do it together? A moment for the lock. Hold on. It's got a strap. There we go. What else? And then get rid. Lovely, good for you. Perfect match, okay? Perfect match pouch, again, in the leather. Even the little key pull also has the Louis Vuitton printing, debossing on it. Deboss, yes, debossed. Chain, and then we have the little lobster claw pouch, inside bag, hook it onto the D-ring. Just look at that, just look at the scrunch. Oh, she's so beautiful. You could play her like an accordion. Let's not go down that route, Cassie. As I sort of mentioned earlier, pre-ordering really is the best way to get these bags. You cannot get them online. Your best bet is to go in store and see if you can pre-order for the season ahead, basically. And like I mentioned, it was a quick turnaround between the pre-order and when the bag came. It was a month, you know? Probably the best advice I have if you want to get one. The next season's colours, they have a sort of neon yellow, a mint, a peach. I think the peach is the best colour from this one, and a baby pink. Her name is Tiffany, by the way, because of the colour. So, address her as such. And then I will also show you her sort of on a body just with what I'm wearing now so that you can get an idea of size and everything, because I feel like when it comes to Speedies, the material really affects sort of how big or how small it looks.
It's very beautiful.
Thank you.
The best colour.
I really did. Look at the plaque on the inside. Look at the pouch that comes with it.
Please, can you tell your friend?
Well, which colour? The peach. It's so good.
No, I want this size.
Oh, I see. I like the colour.
Isn't it beautiful? And it's got a matching leather pouch.
Oh, I see a purse.
I know. And all of the like dust bags are also in the same colour as the bag.
Yeah, is it collaboration with Tiffany?
Well, the thing is that it's not, but LVMH do own Tiffany. So I wonder if they have had license to use, but then they probably would have said it was a Tiffany collaboration, so probably not. It's probably slightly off. Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice.
Thank you. Absolute perfection. Absolute perfection. Glorious. I could do this all day. Okay? I love that. Anyway, crook of the arm. Walking through town. All of a sudden, she needs to be hands-free. Okay? Hold on, let me move that. There we go. Being fabulous, looking absolutely glorious with her wonderful turquoise. And then across the body. Okay, it's quite a thick strap. Now, I do want to put some stuff in it so that we have an idea of what she looks like in use. My current wallet, which is a menagerie of wallets in one wallet. Keys, AirPods, hand sanitizer backup charger, sunglasses, that's a big case as well. Popcorn, don't ask why that was in my other bag, okay? But let us say, there we go. Here you get an idea of how she falls on the body when she has things in her. I am over the moon. I'm so happy I got this bag, and I'm just in love with all of the details. I think that they've really taken their time and they've really thought about every single... The materials are beautiful. I'm absolutely in love. Let me know what you think of Tiffany. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and in the words of my father...
If you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.